Konyani again.
Yeah, we're running for our lives. Yes. Yeah, we're running for our life. Kaizer Chiefs lose. We're running for our life now as the Buccaneers. Yeah, Tata Kabakalela.
If the Chiefs lose in a week, it's Kakaya team. The Chiefs is Kakaya team week.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it.
Iwanda sikhala ngayo Kaizer Chiefs asinakhothi players sinazo zonke uthatha i-defenders ziyi-5 uthatha i-defender engumakho uyenze winga how come ekhona umsulentuka lo mntana uvila nomodi ubathiya ngaphandle andithethe ulilepha inkomo ulilepha kulelakho ekora cha inkomo ulilepha afuna ugxoka inkomo ulilepha into esithi apha ngikhosa sicela amajita asizangalophi kuhambe i-translators mazilandela unaphi bayoharaharaza ngaphi akunaphi ababuyele
Cedric.
babe nomigwebo wabo nolilepho bawele uthatha ukunika umba ngaphandle ufama igwele why mabahambe
Asakhohlwa ukuthi Chiefs idliwe. Asakhohlwa ukuthi Chiefs idliwe.
Isterin Boşet Petene Insipho entsha shak yokuwasha-ke ijezi ikhambakela lensipho ibizwa-ke nge-Run 8 washing powder Run 8 washing powder iyo-ke abafuna ukuyinikeza i-Kaizer Chiefs bathi-ke siyanixhasa mahhala nje sifuna ukuthi-ke
I don't know what you heard about Chiefs, but they can score 2 goals every week. I don't know what you heard about Chiefs. I'm a clean sheet aphelile. I don't know what you heard about Chiefs, but they can score 2 goals every game. I don't know what you heard about Chiefs, but I'm a clean sheet aphelile. Defending champions out. Yes, defending champions out. Abakhonanga nokukora 2 goals. 7 games or 8 games in a row babhize ngama 1-0. Hayi, Steelies. Mabasa, Titus. Divine Titus. Issue. Hey, nikho mnandi. All talk. You talk too early, you talk too much. Airtime engapheli. Say C. Hi, Kaizer Chiefs. How can you not defend the cup that you won from Orlando Pirates? Hey, nishaye kabuhlungu bafethu. Bashaye kabuhlungu final abantu labo. Bashaye kabuhlungu bafethu, but Divine Titus. DHL Stadium, Cape Town. Badliwa labantu laba. Sold out futhi. It was sold out. Badliwa. Dushabalala, don't ever. Kaizer Chiefs fan, don't ever compare Dushabalala to Star. Isidlalele Orlando Pirates. President Yama 2000, don't ever. Because let me tell you what. Mfukeng uyalazi ibhali, Mdushabalala akalazi ibhali. Akalazi 10-0. Mfukeng uyamshaya 10-0. Please. Don't ever compare those two ever again. One is a Bafana International, regular Bafana International. Umunye bayambiza bese bangambiza, bayambiza bese bangambiza. In fact, bambize kayi-1 wadlala kayi-1. Hey, Mdushabalala can get away from me. Get away. As for the 2 coaches, I'm a plumber. 5 defenders. What were you thinking? Why couldn't you play the same lineup that has been winning you games? Nizozwa fit. Nizozwa. Concentrating on the calf. Yeah? What? Concentrating on the calf. Concentrating on the calf. Purple patch. Ama 1-0. ngiyanibona niyawageza nama shit lawa niyawageza. Brendan Peterson, they said he's the best, he must be number 1. He must be number 1 for you, welcome. Nimbonile ushaya ama-fans uBrendan Peterson uthi uyocontrol ama-fans, ama-fans athi Fotek sijwayela kawe udlisile. Kaizer Chiefs is the gift that always comes, the gift that always gives. Kaizer Chiefs amakhosi. Hayi nina niyangicaka bafethu, niyangicaka. How can you always score 1 goal every game? 1 goal. 8 games in a row manje labantu baba bascora 1 goal. 1. Nishaye round eli 1 bafethu. Ili round eli 1. Oh, satisfy abantu moshaye round eli 1. Angeke uphumelele ngeround eli 1. It's like a chick mobamba uchere bafethu. Uchere dala umfuna, uchere uyamupha 1. Ama 1. Ungitshela ukuthi angeke athi baba ume kancane. Awume kancane ngalama round wakho baba. Woza la. Kaizer Chiefs it no thank you. 1 round is enough. Kaizer Chiefs, the gift that always gives. Siyabonga. Thank you for making our week. I'm out bafethu. That was it. Angeke ngisakhuluma more. Kaizer Chiefs are out of the Nedbank. Suka ngalama clean sheet wenu. Phelile. Sokunqolekile manje. Tsak.